Blessed assurance,
to come in like
Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste.
How are you spelling that? Is that a T-A-C-E that you have there?
It not have to be something that you always taste, have to be a regulatory taste.
Like a taste? Taste 6?
It can be a part-time taste.
I'm
you know
a
what I'm saying?
full-size, grown, extra large woman. I don't like little tastes. I don't like Lil Jon. I barely like Lil Mama. I barely sing this Lil Light of Mine.
I understand that have be a dwell in my brain. But what you have not understand is I never have teach you about the bird and a BB and CC.
A BB and C? I don't need to know about
That's
the bird.
what I live for. A place where love will never speak. Maybe that's why mommy have make a mistake and why you have feel that you need to be a man child, Shabazz.
Look, don't worry about it. I'm good.
Right here, bring me that pink dress on my bed. Because I feel like you really could have developed something, a new taste, Shabazz.
What?
I have sent out a spiritual SOS to have be a father God, to have reached out, to have said, God, she have been a man child, and I don't know why have been a man child, not my own child, my God child maybe, but not my own child. God, why my child? Purina, don't child, nah. Shabazz, I feel like you have not been given a fair slice.
Oh my God.
A fair slice have to be American dream.
You have got to be kidding me.
There have nothing have to be weird about this. The Bible have say being not weird and we're doing. There have nothing to be weird. Being not have be aware of a rare doing. Let me I have be a display for you. Bridget! Bring me that bowl in the kitchen on the counter on the right next to my coffee pot and the picture of Obama.
Mom.
When a man have love a woman, it have be go down in the DM. This is what you have called a little taste, okay? Have not be a big taste like your father, but it have be a taste. It's Shabazz.
Oh my God, man.
You don't want to taste. Just have a little taste. Have be a recommended. A clean man of God, Shabazz. And when a little taste have meet your taste, but at least have be a nice meeting place to have some taste down the line. In the book of Esther have said, the king have be a banquet. In verse 1, now in the day of Ahasuerus, who reigned from India, and I have still stand by that have be a India that have come over that house.
What?
Anyway, like a man of God that have be a reach and have be a little taste. And have not be a great. It's really good. That'd be the best taste I have ever tasted. Anyway, not to carry on. I just.
Why?